In this video, we're going to unbox this Avenco mattress and see how it's going to uncompress into its full original king size shape. Today we have something very different and it's from Avenco. It's a king size mattress and guess what? The price is between $400 to $500. This is a budget mattress. In this video we're gonna unbox this mattress. I'm very curious to sleep on it, try it, and keep you updated about the quality, the performance, and the comfort and firmness and everything else you need to know about this mattress. The detailed article below at the link or here is going to be with the review after I sleep on the mattress. So now let's go unbox it and let's go have some fun with the Avenco. This is a teamwork, guys. This mattress is 102 plus pounds, and definitely you need to get help. And let's go and continue unboxing. Oh my goodness! I need to turn it around now.